In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Asana account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving on to a different project management tool or simply no longer need Asana, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Asana login page. If you're not already on the website, you can do so by typing in www.asana.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Asana account. This is the initial step to access your account, so ensure you enter the correct email. After entering your email address, click on the Continue button to proceed. You'll be taken to the next screen where you'll need to enter your account password. Now, password security is crucial, so make sure you enter your password carefully. Once you've entered it, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will take you to your Asana homepage, the central hub for all your project management activities. Once you're on your Asana homepage, direct your attention to your profile picture or icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll need to select Settings, which is usually near the top of the list. This will open up your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your account. Within the Settings menu, click on the Account tab. This section provides more detailed options related to your account preferences and information. As you scroll through this section, look for the option labeled Deactivate Account. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Upon selecting Deactivate Account, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a crucial step as confirming deactivation will make changes to how you interact with Asana. To finalize the deactivation process, click on the Deactivate button. Remember, deactivating your account is permanent, so be sure this is what you want to do. And there you have it, your Asana account is now deactivated. If ever you need to come back to Asana in the future, you'll need to create a new account. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.